One of the most important issues in modern dairies is trying to control their nutrients and to control the costs to do that effectively. In dairy manure are key essential nutrients for the growth of plants: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
Corn, grass, any crop that you're putting in all needs nutrients.
There's quite a bit of wastewater that's produced, and we need to find a home for that on the fields to be able to properly use the nutrients onto the crops.
What you see behind me is a fine solid separation unit. This particular fine solid separation unit is a DAF unit, dissolved air flotation.
And its purpose is to try to take the really fine solids that are suspended in the wastewater, in the manure, and pull them out and put them into a solid form.
A machine like this can remove 80% of the phosphorus and 30% of the nitrogen. And you have a solid product that's concentrated with nutrients and liquid that goes to the farm's lagoon.
This machine helps them partition a significant fraction of their phosphorus and their nitrogen, which is much easier to store, handle, transport, apply to the field. These all are monetary benefits that reduce the overall cost of the management of their manure.
We did get some assistance via the state of Washington, Department of Commerce. We got a clean energy grant that assisted us in purchasing and installing the DAF unit. Department of Commerce is interested in it because it's moving the needle a little farther to clean energy, proper use of nutrient values that are going to modernize dairying even as we know it today.
One of the great things about dairies is that when the nutrients are managed properly, is that you have a almost fully closed nutrient cycle. We recycle this waste into solid forms that can go back on the fields to grow corn or other crops, which then come back to the cow.